So we're talking about the Innova SD35. So this is a OBD2 scanner, and this is great to reset your ABS, SRS, TPS sensor. You could check engine codes, reset engine codes. This way, if you're working on a problem and you think you solved it, you reset the engine code, and if it pops up, then you need to explore more. And if it stays gone, then you know you completed the repair correctly. Now, this saves you a ton of money because you're going to be more informed, even if you're not a great mechanic. Maybe you just tinker, but just the information alone, just in case you have a car where a check engine light comes on, you get the code, you read the code, you study the code, and you go to your mechanic more informed. You kind of help him understand that you know what you're kind of talking about. This way you're less likely to be duped or scammed, especially women. I mean, there's no reason why a woman shouldn't have one of these. I save tons of friends by plugging in my scanners and helping them out, and they appreciate it and they save money. So for me, I have a couple of cars. I like older cars, a lot cheaper to deal with, but occasionally a code comes up and I have to read it, I have to reset it, and there are other things that I would like to do. Like this has a battery tester or alternator tester integrated within the scanner. Most scanners don't do that. It has live data, which I could monitor live chart graphs as I idle, as I drive, and I could see what's actually going on in the moment. And you could check all these sensors and every component of the car. You got to make sure this is compatible with your car, because not all these sensors are compatible with every single car. So make sure you check before you buy. But this gets most cars, and it does a lot for the price. You know, it's very advanced or it's very simple. It just depends your level of confidence in using this. But I think if you have a car, you should have one. And just checking your battery health, you know, you could reset your engine or your oil fill light. You know, a lot of these cars, you have to take it to the dealer to do most of these things, so you got to take it to the AutoZone guy to help you out. Avoid those trips. Have the information in your hand, and you can't get no more user friendly than this. Simple buttons, plugs right in, and you're ready to go. Yes, they do have an app that you could sign up for and do all that, or you could get going without the app and just get to fixing your problems and having confidence to maintain your vehicle. So put in your cart, buy with confidence. These things are must have.